So good morning students. In previous video classes we have studied about the subsets and subsets of the real numbers, and next we have studied about the intervals. In the intervals, open interval, closed interval, open closed open intervals, all these we have studied, and also we have discussed that about the power set. So power set is nothing but the collection of all the subsets of the collection of all the subsets of a set, given set A. Suppose, and it is called as the power set. ಎದಕ್ಕೆ power set ಅಂತೇವೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ collection of all subsets of a set. If they have given one set, we have to collect all possible subsets from the given set. What are these subsets? Which are the subsets of that given set? Those we have to collect. So that collection is called as a power set, and it is denoted by and it is denoted by denoted by P of A, denoted by P of A. ಅದನ್ನ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಡಿನೋಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವ್ರಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ P of A ಅಂತ ಡಿನೋಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವ್ರಿ. So here we'll take one examples regarding that. 1, 2 and 3 elements are there. How many subsets we can form from? How many subsets we have, that we have to collect. So first we have already known that null set is a subset of every set. One is over, and every singleton set of elements of a given set are the subset. ಒಂದೇ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಇರೋ ಸೆಟ್ ಅದು ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಕೊಟ್ಟಂತ ಸೆಟ್ ಏನಿರ್ತಾವ್ರಿ ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಸಬ್ಸೆಟ್ಸ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, so singleton 2, singleton 3, so it's over. Next, so set which contain two elements also becomes the subset. ಎರಡು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಇದ್ದು ಅವು ಇವೇ ಇರ್ಬೇಕ್ರಿ, ಮತ್ತೆ ಬೇರೆ ಅಲ್ರಿ. ಎರಡು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಇದ್ದು ಇದ್ರಾನು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಮಾಡೋದು. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ 1 2 and 1 3 and 2 3. So next, so another set we can write A itself only. A itself is also subset. So how many elements we got? So that is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 elements we got. Then P of A, number of elements in a power set, is equal to 8. So how can we express that? So power set, we can created yesterday the formula, that is 2 cube. So now if, so take a note regarding the a power set. Here we clarified that if we have, that is a n number of elements in A, then number of elements in power set is 2 raised to n. If number of elements in a set A is m, number of elements in a given set A is m, then number of elements in a power set A is equal to, power set of A is 2 raised to m. So this is the formula for finding the number of elements in a power set A. So after this, so we came to know how to construct the power set. So power set is nothing but the collection of all subsets. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಸೆಟ್ ಲಿತ್ರ ಎಷ್ಟು ಸಬ್ಸೆಟ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಬರ್ತಾವ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಅವು ಇಷ್ಟು ಕಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದೇವಿ ಅಂದ್ರ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತೇವಿ ನಾವು ಪವರ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ಕಲೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಹೆಂಗ್ರಿ? ನಲ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಒಂದಂತೂ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಸೆಟ್ಟಿಗೂ ಸಬ್ಸೆಟ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತೈತ್ರಿ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕ್ರಿ, ಇದ್ರಾನು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ನೋಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕ್ರಿ. ಏನದಾವ್ರಿ? 1 2 3 ಅದಾವ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅವಕ್ಕೂ ಸಿಂಗಲ್ಟನ್ ಒಂದೊಂದು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು, ಸಿಂಗಲ್ಟನ್ ಸೆಟ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದು. So singleton 1, singleton 2, singleton 3. So ಇವನು ಏನಾಗ್ತಾವ್ರಿ? ಸಬ್ಸೆಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಾವ್ರಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒಂದು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಮುಗಿದ್ರಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಎರಡು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 3 ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಅದಾವ್ರಿ, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎರಡು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಸಬ್ಸೆಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಾವ. 1 2 1 2 ಈ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅದಾವ್ರಿ, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಏನಾಯ್ತು? ಇದ್ರದ್ದು ಸಬ್ಸೆಟ್ ಆಯ್ತು. ಸೊ 1 3 ಈ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅದಾವ್ರಿ, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ 1 2 3 1 3 ನು ಏನಾಯ್ತು? ಇದ್ರದ್ದು ಸಬ್ಸೆಟ್ ಆಯ್ತು. 2 3 no subset hai, a no itself is also a subset. So totally how many we got? The elements in the power set is 8, that can be expressed as 2 cube. If we have a 2 elements, we'll get the 4. If we have a 1 elements, we'll get 2. So on the basis of 2 only we have created the formula. So if n number of elements in A is m, then the number of elements in P of A is 2 raised to m. So this is the formula we got, that to find out, to calculate, that is number of elements in a power set. Very important for us. So next we move to, that is a universal set, for which we call as an universal set means the basic sets which we call as an universal set. For example, if you take that is a natural number, so natural number will become a universal set for the, so its subsets. Why? Because for a even number, set of even numbers, set of odd numbers, set of prime numbers, so these all these sets becomes the subsets, means all these elements are the elements of the, they are there in the natural number. So we call that is a natural number may become the universal set, or also we can define the universal set in the another way, that the set which containing the elements of all its possible subsets. ಯಾವದಕ್ಕೆ ಯುನಿವರ್ಸಲ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, ಸೊ ದ ಸೆಟ್ ವಿಚ್ ಕಂಟೈನಿಂಗ್ ಆಲ್ ದಿ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಸಬ್ಸೆಟ್ಸ್. ಅದರ ಆ ಸೆಟ್ ಲಿತ್ರ ಏನು ಸಬ್ಸೆಟ್ಸ್ ಆತಾವಲ್ರಿ, ಆ ಸಬ್ಸೆಟ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸು ಏನ್ರಿ ಒಂದು ಸೆಟ್ನಾಗ ಇತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತೇವ್ರಿ ಯುನಿವರ್ಸಲ್ ಸೆಟ್. ಆ ಯುನಿವರ್ಸಲ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಎದರಲ್ಲೇ ಇಂಡಿಕೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವ್ರಿ, ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಯು. ಸೊ ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್, ಇಫ್ ಯು ಟೇಕ್ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ರಿಯಲ್ ನಂಬರ್. A real number is a set which containing, that is the elements of natural number also, integer also, and rational number also, irrational number. So all the they are the subsets of a real number, and the real number containing the all the elements of its possible subset. For example, natural number is there in real number, integers are also there in the real number, rational number is also there, irrational numbers are also there. So then we call that is the real number is called as an universal set of the number system. Now up to this, after that it changes. Why? Because we are going to study that is a more number which is more higher than this real number system, which we call them as in a complex number. So that will become the universal set of the number system. So that is not there. Later we will study about the complex number. We will have a chapter that is complex number and quadratic equation. So in that detail we have to study about the complex number. Still up to here, so whatever we have studied up to here, so we confirm that real number is a universal set of the number system. Number system ದಾಗ ಯಾವದ್ರಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ universal set ಅಂದ್ರೆ real number. Real number is a set which containing all the elements of its subsets. So now we can define the universal set like this. So next we come to that is another set. So universal set. In the universal set means, how we define the universal set means a set which containing all the elements of its subsets. The set which containing all the elements of its subsets. ಆ ಸೆಟ್ ಲಿತ್ರ ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ ಸಬ್ಸೆಟ್ಸ್ ಆತಾವಲ್ರಿ ಅದರಾನು ಎಲ್ಲ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಸೊ ಏನಿರ್ಬೇಕ್ರಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಂತ ಸೆಟ್ ದಾಗ ಇರ್ಬೇಕ್ರಿ. Then we call it as a universal set, and it is denoted by so capital U. It is denoted by capital, or also simply we call that is a basic set which we call as an universal set. Basic sets ಏನಂಬೋದ್ರಿ universal base. ಯಾವ್ದು ಬೇಸ್ ಇರ್ತೈತಲ್ರಿ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತೇವ್ರಿ ನಾವು ಯುನಿವರ್ಸಲ್ ಸೆಟ್. ಆ ಬೇಸಿಕ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಲಿತ್ರ ಏನಾಗ್ತಾವ್ರಿ ಉಳ್ಕಾದೆಲ್ಲ ಸಬ್ಸೆಟ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಗ್ತಾವ್ರಿ. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ರಿಯಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಲಿತ್ರ ನಾವು ನ್ಯಾಚುರಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದ್ರಿ, ಇಂಟೀಜರ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದ್ರಿ, rational number ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದ್ರಿ, irrational. So they are the subsets of the real number. So we call that is a real number will become the universal set. Universal set. Real number ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ universal set. Why? Because a real number is a set which containing all the elements of its subset. ಎಲ್ಲ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅದಾವ್ರಿ ಅದ್ರದ್ದು ಸಬ್ಸೆಟ್ ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ್ರಿ ನ್ಯಾಚುರಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಅದಾವ್ರಿ ಇಂಟೀಜರ್ ಅದಾವ್ರಿ ಸೊ ರ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಅದಾವ್ರಿ ಇರ್ರ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ಇವು ಕುರಾಗಿರುವಂತ ಎಲ್ಲ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿರ್ತಾವ್ರಿ ರಿಯಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಸೊ ದೆನ್ ವಿ ಕಾಲ್ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ರಿಯಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್ ಅ ಸೊ ಯೂನಿವರ್ಸಲ್ ಸೆಟ್ or we can say that is a for example natural number also becomes on a some extent an a universal set. Why? Because it contain the elements. For example even number is also set or not, odd number is also set not. So even and odd numbers are there in the natural number or not, means the for this set natural number will become a base. So prime numbers, square, perfect square number, perfect cube numbers. So for these all the sets, so the natural number becomes that is the universal sets. So all these elements, the elements of all these sets contained in the natural number. For example, even number, odd number, so prime number, so that is multiple of 2, multiple of 3, so powers, so perfect square number, perfect cube number. So all these sets are the subsets of the natural number. Means all the elements of these sets are there in the natural number. Means then we say that is the natural number will become the universal set. So next after this we have to study that is a exercise that is for 1.3. So we have to discuss the exercise number 1.3. So which is based on its subsets of real numbers, intervals, power set and universal set. On these basis, so we are going to study that is exercise number 1.3. We know already about that is a subset. When we say that is a is a subset of B, we have already known that. So if every element of A are the elements of B, then we say that is A is a subset of B. And we have already known that which are the subsets of the real number. Natural number is a subset, real number is real number, natural number is a subset of real number, integer is also subset of real number, rational number is also subset of real number, and also irrational number is also a subset of real number. And this natural number is subset of integer is subset of rational number is subset of real number. So all these concepts we clarified and cleared, and also we have studied about the power set also. So what we mean by the power set, how the power set is defined? So it is nothing but the collection of well defined, so that is a subsets, the collection of all subsets of a given set, the collection of all possible subsets from a given set, that collection is called as a power set. Next we have studied about the universal set. Universal set is a set which containing all the elements of its subset. ಅದರದ್ದು ಸಬ್ಸೆಟ್ಸ್ ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ್ದವ್ರಿ ಆ ಸಬ್ಸೆಟ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಇರುವುದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವೇನಂತೀವಿ ಯೂನಿವರ್ಸಲ್ ಸೆಟ್, and it is denoted by the capitals. So these about this we have studied. So let me discuss the example regarding this what we have studied in the previous video classes and today also. So let me see that. So exercise number 1.3. So let me start the exercise 1.3. So exercise 1.3. In this, so we have marked the correct statement by filling in the symbols they have given. Mark correct statement, statements So mark the correct statements by filling by filling by filling in the symbols. This is a symbol of subset, or this is a symbol for not a subset in the in the blank blank space. In the blank space, they have given the blank space. In that you have to fill the symbols. So first set I will take, that is 2, 3 and 4. So dot dot 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. See here, whenever you are identifying that, or you are going to fill any symbol in between that, you should have a clear idea about that. So which are the symbols? We know that already in this chapter which we have studied. So the one thing that we have used the symbol, that is belongs to, we call. So this belongs to use only for the elements of the set. If A is a any set, if we have 1, 2, 3, if we want to state, so 1 is the element of A, at that time we use this symbol. 1 belongs to A, we call. So we cannot say 1 is a subset of A. A single element never become a subset. But if we form a single set, so now it will become a set. Now this is a set, not an element. The set which contain one element, so that is 1 is a subset. But if we state that, so that is 1 is a subset, it is wrong. This kind of notation. So next we should know that, so for the power set, in the power set we are containing the as a subsets. So power set ದಾಗಿರೋ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸೆಟ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತಾವ್ರಿ, ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಈಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, ಸೊ ನಲ್ ಸೆಟ್, ಸಿಂಗಲ್ಟನ್ 1, ಸಿಂಗಲ್ಟನ್ 2 ಹಿಂಗಿರ್ತಾವ. ಸೊ ಈಗ ಇದು ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಸಿಂಗಲ್ಟನ್ 1 is belongs to power set. Why? Because it is an element. So if we cannot possible to state or use this symbol to represent, to state like this, so it is a wrong statement which we are going to use. Why? Because it is a element of a power set, not a subset. It is an element of a power. So for the element we cannot use the subset used only for the set if it is in the set form. If a single element is there, then we have to use this symbol. If that element is there, then we have to use the belongs, or if it is not there, does not belong. So these kind of these situations comes in the fill in the blanks, and you have to correctly fill that question. So whether 1 becomes a subset, it is not, and it is also wrong also. 1 never become a subset, it is an element. So element never become a subset. Element ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಸಬ್ಸೆಟ್ ಆಗಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯ. ಆ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಲಿತ್ರ ನೀವೇನಾರ ಸೆಟ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಸಬ್ಸೆಟ್. ಸೆಟ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಸಬ್ಸೆಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಆದ್ರೆ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಎಂದು ಸಬ್ಸೆಟ್, ಆದ್ರೆ ಬಿಲಾಂಗ್ಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಮೇ ಬಿಲಾಂಗ್ಸ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. So these are the kinds you have to remember, or things. So simple logical things you have to remember when we have to use which symbol. So whether which symbol is used, we have to identify. Certain examples comes that to identify whether it is a subset or not a subset, whether which kind of symbol we have to use for this. So that sense should be there when we have to use which symbol, whether it will become a subset means we know that A is a subset of B, means every element of A are the elements of B, then we say that A is a subset. We have already known that. So now here we have to identify these. Which symbol of these we have to use? 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4 are the elements and it is a set. It is a set. So these elements are there here or not? 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4 is there. The elements of this set are the elements of this set means, so it will become a subset. Which symbol we have to use? That is a subset symbol we have to use. So next for the second question we have that we are going to use for the second question. So that is in the set builder for x such that x is a students of class 11 of our school. So here they have given the fill in the blanks. Next they have given another set in the same form. X student of our school. Student of our school. So here X is a student of a class 11 of your school. So for example, the students of the class 11 are the student of our school or not? So they are the student. Means every element, every person or every student of the class 11 are the student of our school or not? Okay, means every students are there in the school or not? So okay, means this will become a subset of this. So next we move to that is the third one. ಮೂರನೆಯದು ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ. So then x such that x is a circle in the plane Next x is a circle in the same plane with radius 1 unit. Radius with 1 unit. So here we have a circle in the plane. We have so many circles. So that is circle with radius unity, radius with 2, radius 3, 4 on, so on. But so here x is a circle in the same plane with a radius unit. One the unit under one the circle circle the radius unit. But here we have a plenty of that is a circle. So these elements are not there in this. Why? Because here we can get that is a circle of radius 2, but here so there is a only unit. So whose radius is 1 we have to collect here. But here a circle of radius 2 may be also, but those are not there here. Then this is not a subset. This is a subset. Why? Because the circle, so it is a radius of unity and it is a radius of 2, 3 we can get in this. But here all the circles are unity. So means so these two circles are not there in this set. How can it will become a subset? So these elements should be there here or not. So then only we say that this is a subset of this. So then it is not become a subset of this. Not become a because a circle of radius 2 and 3 are not there, are not the elements of the unit circle. Are not the unit circle. For that reason, it will not become a subset. So next. So fifth one, x such that x is a triangle in a plane. So I take the x such that x is a rectangle in the plane. So x is a triangle in a plane, x is a rectangle in a plane. So we know that x is a triangle in a plane and x is a rectangle in a plane. So there is no subset there. Why? Because rectangle is different and triangle is different. So rectangle has the four-sided figure and triangle has the, so that is the three-sided figure. Then these elements are not the elements of this set. ಇದ್ರೊಳಗೆ ಇರುವಂತ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಇದ್ರಾಗ ಇರುವುದಿಲ್ಲ, ಇದ್ರಾನು ಇದ್ರಾಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ರೆಕ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಇದ್ರಾಗ ಸಾಧ್ಯನೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. So then it is not a subset. It is not a subset. Simply you have to fill in the blanks like this. Remaining questions you have to attempt. So that is fifth question we have completed. Sixth and seventh question you have to do. Next we move to that is the another second main question. Second main question we are going to discuss. So last two questions you have to do, that is x is an equilateral triangle in a plane, x is a triangle in the same plane, x is a even natural number and x is a integers. So these you have to discuss and you have to text me, you have to send the message for me. So by solving these two, whether they becomes a subset or not, you have to identify. True or false? Examine whether the following statements are true or false. So first I will write the following statements. The first one is a comma b is not a subset of bca. Second one, ae x such that x is ovals in the English So remaining three it is left for you. So first I will discuss about this. So AB. So what they have given, not a subset, means it is a set. So elements of AB is there or not? AB is there. So it should become a subset. But they have, what they have stated, not a subset, means it is false. It is false. It is false. Next is AE. So X is the vowels in the English. We know already the vowels. Which are the vowels? Which are the vowels of the English alphabets? A, E, I, O, U are the vowels of the English alphabets. In the A, E, I, O, U, so A, E is there or not? So they form the set. A, E, I, O is there in the vowels. So for that reason, it is a subset. It is true. It is true. So next we come to that is 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3 are the elements of the 1, 3, 5? No. Why? Because 2 is not the element of this. So 3 is there, 1, 3 is there, but 2 is not the element of this. Means how can it become a subset? Means, so what they have stated, the symbol used, that is wrong. If it is wrong, means it is false. It is false. So remaining 3 you have to discuss. So today we'll complete. So completed the 2 questions still. So we have, that is a 7 questions. So we'll discuss tomorrow about that. Very simple questions we have. So let me see that.